here we have the haunted Christmas tree for Halloween. All of these decorations are from the Dollar Tree. These ones are from just a random 99-cent store.
This little ghost guy is actually from the thrift store. It looks like somebody made him, maybe in like a shop class or something, but he's super cute and he's kind of hollow inside, so I added some lights to give it a spooky little glow. And these skulls are from the Dollar Tree. I just layered them on top of each other. This beware sign was also from the Dollar Tree. Instead of using a traditional tree skirt, I actually put a black tablecloth that was just $1 from the Dollar Tree. And this other weird, like, I think you put it on your door or something, but it was clear and it said do not enter. And I actually just put it right over the tablecloth and kind of gave it an extra layer. And you could see the black right through. I don't know if it makes much of a difference, but I kind of like it and I think it adds to the tree. What do you guys think?
You can see that I put white cobwebs all over it. I tried to keep sort of a pattern or just kind of balance it out. I had a lot of fun making this tree. And oh, these little pieces are also from the dollar store, not Dollar Tree, just like a 99-cent store. And I just kind of put on top, I put these black little, I don't know what they're called, but they're from the flower section in the Dollar Tree. I had a lot of fun making this haunted Christmas tree. I love decorating Christmas trees for all year round and all different holidays. You could probably see that already if you follow any of my YouTube stuff. You know that, or on Instagram, you know that I did a harvest tree last year, a Christmas tree, a winter tree, a Valentine's Day tree, and a St. Patrick's Day tree. So I love to keep my Christmas tree around as long as I possibly can and just decorate it according to the season or the holiday. And this time around, I started with a Halloween tree.
What's a man got to do to get a woman like you? What's a man got to do to touch a woman like you? What's a man got to do to get a woman like you?
And for my coffee table here, you can see that I decorated this as well. I have this headless horseman here that is really cool. I got him from TJ Maxx. And I have a little bird right there. I covered this mirror in some cobwebs, and I put this like diamond thing here as well as this mesh spider, I don't know, lace or something, whatever it's called. And then I have the appropriate, and then I put out some appropriate bowls and plates that I thought would look really nice for Halloween. I put these on my Hitchcock theme night video as well. but they definitely come in handy for Halloween or any spooky vibes I'm trying to put out there. And I kind of just leave them for display, and whenever I do have people over, I just give them a quick rinse and then fill them with some snacks or chips or like candy or something. So it's really easy, and it's always just kind of ready to put stuff out. And I of course have my vintage coasters that I love so much because I'm a stickler about using a coaster. If you have antique furniture, you know that it does not hold up well with water stains. And I also have my vintage key that I absolutely love. This actually opens up, and you can open wine as well as a beer with it. So that's super fun. Nobody really ever uses it, but it's there just in case. And I really enjoy it. I hope you liked it, I don't know. And that's how I did it.
I have the fire going, and here is a cute little Happy Halloween banner that I have on the fireplace. This is a little clock that I got from the thrift store I used in my Hitchcock video because there's a little bird on there. And for the top of my fireplace, I actually just have some candles. I put this on top of a little mirror thing that I got from the dollar store. And these are just cards. I have this, it's basically just a card in front of a picture frame. I think it looks really nice. And those cards are from the Dollar Tree. They're 2 for $1 or $1 each, depending on which kind you get. But I figured that is a nice way to decorate, and it's super inexpensive, and they're super cute. I feel like they go really nicely here. This little vintage piece is from the thrift store. You can't really tell, but he's kind of lighting up. Super cute. I really love it, and I just have a few battery operated candles in there, so it gives a nice glow. And then of course I have a really fun ambiance going on YouTube. I love these things. They're so good. I actually made a playlist, and I will link it down below, of a bunch of different ambiance videos on YouTube. They are so good. I highly recommend listening and watching these. They are so much fun.